Welcome everyone to my brand new video. In this video, I am going to show you one of the biggest guppy farm in Thailand. How they culture, how they farm guppies in Thailand. Because as you all know, Thailand is the biggest, the largest exporter of ornamental fish in the world. So Thailand farmers, they really understand the fish. They really know about the fish, how to grow the fish, how to maintain the quality, how to do the packaging and everything. So let's get into his farm and see what kind of variety of guppy fish he has right now. Brilliant color. This is albino full platinum. Oh my goodness. This variety is called full black. This is dragon. Okay, this is dragon big ear. Oh my goodness, these are really beautiful. Yes, galaxy. This is galaxy. You see.
Moon, platinum red tail.
This is platinum red tail half moon.
He has thousands and thousands of guppy fish. It's really amazing how many varieties of guppy fish he has right now.
This is yellow tiger. Just see the quality of this fish. You can clearly see the yellow and black line separates its marking. You can see the border, the black border, how the black border circles in a same pattern. Really nice quality.
Yeah, platinum red tail.
This is platinum red tail big ear Dumbo. Oh god, half moon I guess. Really nice quality. This is Santa.
Yeah,
This is
amino platinum mosaic.
this is albino Dumbo albino platinum mosaic, something like that. Oh my goodness, this guppy is mind blowing. আমি জানি না আপনারা দেখতে পাচ্ছেন নাকি, এটা অ্যালবিনো প্লাটিনাম মোজাইক এইরকম কিছু একটা বললো. জাস্ট সি দ্য টেইল, সি দ্য কালার, অ্যান্ড দিস ইজ অবভিয়াসলি red eye version. Albino mosaic, really good.
Amino king cobra.
Albino king cobra. Okay, this is albino king cobra. Oh my goodness. This is albino king cobra, a very rare variety of guppy fish. This is albino blue tail. Albino blue tail. Okay, so many varieties he has. This one?
Full platinum one.
Full platinum. Okay, this one is full platinum. Although it has some orange spot on the neck, but the strain is albino full platinum.
Tuxedo blue mosaic.
This is tuxedo blue mosaic. Tuxedo blue mosaic. Albino full red. Okay, this is not red Moscow. Okay, pardon me please. This is albino full red. See the color, and this is full red, head to toe full red, not red Moscow. Okay, we go there. He has many more collections. I'm just amazed how much variety and quality he has on his farm. Oh my god, this has to be Santa. Half Moon Santa Claus. Okay. Okay. আমি এই মাছটা দেখানোর আগে সবাই বলতেছি যে চোখ ধাঁধানো অবস্থা আসলে। This fish is really big and really great. I mean, the fish is not coming up. Maybe I can show the fish like this. Oh my God.
Same, big year, platinum red tail.
Platinum red tail, big ear, Dumbo. Okay.
I know blue tail, same.
Albino blue tail. So this is basically his breeding area, his breeding zone, and these fish are the parents. Okay, I'm showing you his parents' fish now. Just see. Oh my goodness. Just see the quality. প্লাটিনাম মোজাইকটা কেমন হয় দেখতে, এই যে আমি ধরে ফেলেছি একটা প্লাটিনাম মোজাইক, দেখুন।
This is Dumbo Platinum Mosaic. This is another strain of mosaic guppy that has been developing.
Distribution of black and red color is really beautiful. Baby comes into this box. Oh, see how he breed. The babies used to come to this box so that the parents fish cannot eat their babies. So he catches the babies and leave the babies like this in small bucket, and then he brings the bucket to the rearing house, rearing pond I should say. See so many fish and so many different varieties. These are red tail platinum half moon. See, this house also contains so many fish. Minimum water depth like 6 inch. Okay, the water depth should be like 6 inch, not more than 6 inch. The first thing you have to understand. And then the other thing is they used to feed twice a day. Once they used to give eggs, okay, the boiled eggs to the guppies, that is one time feed, and the other time feed is daphnia, the live feed, okay, daphnia or tubifex worms or whatever thing you have, but has to be the live feed. So the basic thing of maintaining this fish is they maintain a very good water quality. How? They used to change the water in every 2 days, okay. 50% water change, not more than 50% water change they used to give, but they give the water change every 2 days after. So this is the main thing, what they feed, how they maintain the water change they give, and the water height. This is the main theory. If you people want to do a guppy farm like this, then you have to understand that you cannot farm other fishes in your guppy farm. You cannot bring other species of fish into your guppy farm, because in that case your guppy will get infected. So the another thing I was saying that if my viewers around the world, you people wants to buy fish from me or fish from us, you should know that we export fish as well, so you can definitely import fish to your country as well. That is also something you can do and breed this fish in your home, but imports should be done in a bigger scale. I mean, if you want to import like 50 pair, 100 pair, that's not gonna work. We used to export in boxes like 10 boxes, 5 boxes, 8 boxes. That is the quantity you minimum have to purchase. So I am letting you people understand how he basically breeds his fish, his guppy fish. So this is basically his breeding line house, and all the houses, all the ponds you can see in this line, he is using this line as his breeding purpose, okay, or to breed the fish. So if we can move forward, you can understand that every pond has some plastic net buckets like this, okay, like that and like that, like that. So basically what I was saying, like, he breeds his guppy fish in a little bit different way. As you can see, most of the babies, they come into these plastic buckets, okay, and these buckets, the main reason of these plastic buckets is that we all know that the parents fish will eat the babies, right? I mean, the guppy father and mother eats their own babies, so you need to protect the guppy babies from their parents. Keep the parents fish inside the bucket, and the babies used to go outside the bucket, and we used to collect babies from outside the bucket. But here he is doing the exactly the opposite thing. He is actually keeping the parents fish into the pond, and the buckets automatically, the fries, the babies comes into the bucket, and he collects the babies from the bucket. So this is another important thing you can note down. If you want to culture guppies, farm guppies, then this could be another good information for you, because these people, they are culturing guppies for generations after generation. I have spoken with the farm owner, and he is the third generation farming guppies, so they have huge experience, no doubt about that. So see how they just collect the fries like this, okay, and then he collects the fries into these buckets, and then these buckets will go to the rearing pond. That's how the thing goes. I hope that everyone likes this video. I have so many viewers all around the world. Please comment me, please like my video, and also subscribe my channel. Thank you everyone. Be good, take care.